Currency markets were steady overnight, with volumes lightened by the U.S. federal holiday. The dollar remained firm on Tuesday, while the Aussie found itself under some pressure as traders watched out for the Reserve Bank of Australia's interest rate decision, with bets that rates may have peaked. The Aussie was 0.5% lower at 0.064 in early trade. Softer than expected inflation data for July has markets all but certain the cash rate will stay on hold at 4.1% when the Reserve Bank of Australia announces its decision in the next few hours. This is far lower than where U.S. overnight rates stand at about 5.25% to 5.5%. This will be Governor Philip Lowe's last RBA board meeting before Michelle Bullock takes over. But since the bearish breakdown of the Australian dollar and U.S. dollar, its price actions have continued to trend lower below its downward sloping 50-day moving average. Also, the daily RSI indicator has managed to stage a retreat right after a retest on former parallel ascending support right below the 50 level in the past week. This indicates the revival of medium-term bearish momentum that advocates further potential downside pressure in the price actions of the Australian dollar, U.S. dollar going forward. The euro drifted higher from recent lows and was steady at 1.079 early in the Asia session. U.S. Treasuries opened lower in Asia, with 10-year yields up 3 basis points to 4.2%. The yen dipped overnight, and analysts see it grinding toward 150 per dollar unless there is a sharp change in the gap between Japanese yields pegged near zero and U.S. yields comfortably above 4%. A dollar last bought 146.5 yen. But a Japanese government bond auction on Tuesday has the potential to shift things if it yields a jump, though a slump in household spending could keep a lid on rates. Elsewhere, the focus is on where the data is guiding interest rates in the West and whether a drip feed of stimulatory measures in China point to Beijing stepping up economic support. Relaxations on home purchase restrictions are expected. China has been cutting interest rates while stepping in to shore up the currency. The yuan held at 7.2825 on Tuesday. Sterling hovered at 1.2624. The New Zealand dollar slipped 0.2% to a one-week low of 0.5926. You've watched the Forex Review on InstaForex TV channel. We wish you profitable trading. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.